Morning, welcome back. So today let's try and get this thing back where it belongs, a little bit closer at least. So went home, grabbed my 5 rated spark plugs, a little bit hotter. The last ones I don't know, they were really cold. You'd pull them straight out and you could hold them in your hand really easy. So I don't know, if we can burn it hotter it might burn better. I might be able to put more fuel back in it. Only way we can find out this is by trialing. So I got 6 runs guaranteed today. Let's see if we can make it go better. Righto, we're up for round 1 quali. So I ended up putting 2 jet sizes smaller in the back and putting the hotter heat range plugs in, and we'll see what happens. If anything, I might need to put a little bit more in the front and take a little bit more out of the back, looking at the plugs the way they all looked. But we'll see what happens. We'll see. We'll just see. I also forgot to mention, if you look at the trees, it's blowing like 35 knots, I reckon. It's crazy wind today. So I expect to run 14.2 at the best. This is my previous best usually with the wind we've had. Actually, last round I ran the 14.2 on the Saturday morning. On that one. That was not fun. Alright, let's go back, see how bad I did. Even though it felt like crap when I backed out over the line. So I went across at like 84 mile an hour, so she was super slow over the line. But yeah, the 184, 186 I think to the 60 foot. So all the front end was really good. It was just I backed out of it because I didn't think it was doing any good. So I don't know. So I went down 1 more jet size on the back, because that's all I had. So I'm down to a 77 on the back. Still got the 64 on the front, and haven't touched timing. I think no, I'll just do this, and then I don't know. Might take 1 degree of timing out. So we'll see. We'll see. Let's get in line, do a burnout, have another go. Well, let's head run back to staging. I mean, back to the camp, because I ran that hill. I was driving up and it was like, brr, and stopped. Anyway. Rookie mistake. Alright. Catch my breath. Alright, oh no, gotta clean up.
16, that's pretty good.
So, lining them back up for round 3 quali. We've just added 3 jet sizes to the front. See if that gives us a bit more fuel. I don't know where we're lacking, but we're lacking somewhere. So, trying to give a little bit, trying to figure out what's going on. Haven't touched timing, haven't touched anything else. We're just gonna run with this and see how we go. So, weirdest thing, just shut the bonnet. I started to get this weird little squeal. I'm like, what the heck have I done? The bracing over time with the slamming has just dropped a smidgy, and it was just touching the top of the air filter bolt. Just like, so I just give it a tap with a hammer and put a dent in the bracing, and no more squeakies. Yeah. Sold. Anyways, let's see what happens in the burnout box this time. Best run of the day, and I didn't record it. Oh, you're the GoPro at least underneath, but felt pretty good. Felt pretty good, that one. Well, a bit extra fuel in the front. I think I liked it. I should have put a new plug in it. I actually took 2 degrees timing out too, which I didn't realise I had in it. I thought I'd already taken them out. So yeah, maybe it didn't like that bit of timing. Whoops. Anyways, let's gonna have a break now, and then back for first round of racing. That was definitely the best one for today, and that's probably the hottest part of the day and everything. Let's go with it. So we'll go back, have a look at the time slip. Oh, I don't think I spoke about the last one. It was like a 14.2 something. It was horrendous. It was like slow as all thing. So we'll see what we've achieved. Righto, so just quickly, I'm lining up really late here. Realised I had more timing in it than I thought. I actually had 32 degrees in it, so I've wet it back to 30, and then on top of that, I've thrown more fuel at it. Let's see what happens. So that last run got a really good tree, but yeah, hold on. I'm gonna go set my GoPro up out the front, and we'll see how we go. Right, now GoPro's recording. Window up. Let's see what happens. Oh. Interesting.
at 85. A 14.04 at 85 on a 14.10. Head through into Adam, who runs through a 16.1 on a 15.9.
Righto, our first race didn't go as planned. I didn't win, but I'm happy as. We've actually got a sporty car again. Like I spun in first, I spun in second, and I haven't done that in a long time. Ran a 14.041 on a 14.1 dial in, so I lost by 0.059 of a second. But that's okay. I was slow. I was off the gas, and I was at 85 mile an hour over the line. So we're back in the 13s, fellas. We're back in the 13s. And ladies. Can't forget the ladies. Sorry about that. Sorry. So, going to change from the 14.1. We're going to go at 13.8 for the next run. And if I break out again, I'm not sad. I'm just going to go from here on. Alright, let's see you in the staging lane. Righto, rolling up for round 2. 0 changes, but we're just going to go full send. And I've dialed back to a 13.9 now, so I had a 14.1 previously. So taking 2 numbers off. Oh, so here we go. And let tire pressure down 2 psi, so between those hopefully we get a bit better. Outside of that, I don't think there's any real changes. Hopefully I've got previous time slip here. It was like a 186, 60 foot, so it was pretty good. 189, I don't know. You'll see. It was slow over the line because I backed out thinking, hey, I'm just in front to beat Old Main, but no, I didn't do that. Alrighty, burnout box next.
Dougie out there. Dougie out there into the SupaTroopsta. And a 13.16 on a 13 flat formation, Brodie 15.72 on a 13.9 for Doug.
So night got called early. There's a bit of an incident, had an oil down. There's too much oil on the track, they can't get it sorted and back on. But on a separate note, we if you look at the previous videos there, she did a big one wheel peel again. So we got something broken in the back end. So guess what? I'm pulling the whole back end apart again. So the diff's gonna come out, or not diff, but the axles are out. I already had a twist in one. So we'll see if it's broke the axle properly or the locker's let go. I've got spare parts for the locker, I've got spare axle seals. The change, I've got spares. There's people telling me, carry spares. And guess what? I got spares. They're all at home and shit. But that's okay. I was never going to fix a diff here. So.
Not a diff.
Well, okay. The locker. Not gonna fix the locker here or the axles here. Good on you. So, we will get it fixed. I've got 10 days before this thing needs to be on the trailer, heading to Dobinson's King of the Strip. Oh my gosh. Anyways, thanks for watching my weekend here. We've woken her up. Hopefully, we can get back into a very good 13. Because that one run where I backed out and lost, I need to stop backing out. It was going good. So, Willowbank's gonna be colder. We'll see you there.
When are you going there?